Question number 5. Critical examine the role of the women in India freedom struggle, highlighted there the participation across the different phases of the movement. 250 verse 15 marks. And women activities participation in India freedom struggles from the early and revolt to mass and movement there the courage saved and the nationalist movement, as the Gandhiji said, when women who have been and surprised for the currency and rise, they can become other force and struggles than any other weapon. Early phase 1908 and 1957 to the early 19th. Armed and resistance during the 1857 revolt, the women led military resistance against the colonial forces. Example, the Rani Lakshmibai of the Jhansi and Begum and Hazrat Mahal of the Awadh led troops in the battles. Assertions in the princely and the feudal territories, and women challenges colonials in encroachment on the regional sovereignty. Example, Rani Channama and of the Kittur resistance British annexations as early as the 1824. Reformist nationalism and bridge work. Early women's reformers promoted education and socio-political consignations. Example, the Pandita and Ramabai advocated women's resign rights and indirectly influences the national awakening participation in early global activities. Diaspora-based women contributions to India and voice the award. Example, the Madam Bikaji Kama unfortunated and India flag in the Stuttgart and published nationalist concept content in Paris. Revolutionaries and non-cooperation phase 1905 से लेकर के 1930. Involvement in the secret society. Revolutionaries and with non-cooperation phase 1905-1913. Involvement in secret society. Women joined the revolutionaries group to take up and the direct action against the colonial target. Example: Preeti Lata and Badedar and Kalpana Dutt engaged in armed resistance in Bengal. Nationalist literature and awakening. Women inspired public sentiments through the poetry and publications. Example: Sarla Devi Chaudhrani and promoted the Swadeshi and national pride through the writing. Participation in Gadar and the early nationalist movement. Women activities abroad the funded and organized freedom effort. Example: women in and the Gadar party in the North America supported the revolutionaries activities. Entry into the Gandhian protest comparisons and women the involvement began to scale up in and the civil disobedient effort. An example of the women joined her hurdles picketing and bonfires of the foreign clothes during the non-cooperation movement, Gandhian mass movement, and final phase 1913-1947 leaderships insult and civil disobedient movement. Women becomes mass and leaders and the frontiers protesters. Example: Sarojini Naidu and lead the Dharshana salt and march. Women broke the liquid and salt laws and the national wide role in Quiet India and underground activities. Women organized secret operations and defined police crackdown. Example: Aruna Asaf Ali want to underground and the raised the flag during the Quiet India movement. Participation in the tribals and peasant agitations, movements and mobilizations, rural masses, and against the colonials and the feudals operations. Example: Godavari and Lekar led Adivasi revolt in Maharashtra against the landlord and British, and presence in political institutions and leaderships. Women shaped the political discourse in both Congress and non-Congress spaces. Example: the Annie Besant led Home Rules effort. The Rajkumari Amrit Kaur was the part of the Constitutional Assembly. Changes to the women freedom fighters. Prerecals and the restrictions and social stigmas and many women were the in when the discouraged and from the public life and faced the opposition from their the families. Example: the participation often led to the restraint loss of the marital status or the ridicule, gendered and invisibilities in historical record. There the contribution were often overshadowed by the male counterparts. And example: the despite their the active roles and women's the rarely and features in official leadership hierarchy. Dual struggles against the colonization and gender discrimination. Women had to fight and both the British Empire and the entrenched gender norms. Example: the even within nationalism circles, and women were often seen as the luxuries and not the equals. Conservation conclusion. Across all phases, there the journey and was not just about national literature and but also about the asserting there's the right to the participation in facing the in saving the country and its futures. There the legacy continued and to the inspiration the struggle for the gender justice and inclusive democracy. The integration of the princely state was other testament and to the both to the both diplomacy and forces. Critical analysis. This the statement in the context of India and post-independent colonizations. It the independent India inherited and over the 560 princely state and there the integrations was the battle for the national unity and was the achieved through the mix of the persuasions and strategic pressures and military interventions. AS and PB Menon said we talk over and the inheritance of the incredibles complexities and disparities gap and gave it is and the coherent shape body. Diplomatics effort and for the peaceful integration institution instrument of the accession route used and state joined India's by the accedings on the dependence. Example Mysore, Bikaner and Patiala signed the yearly without resistance. Patel Menon strategy. Patel and the firmness and Menon's text ensures the quick accessions and example over 100 small states and merge the swiftly under this the approach and the purse and the title assumed rulers where the granted financial and the ceremonial assurance. Example Gwalior and the Baroda's rulers and accepted mergers and with thus and the incentives. Trackful handlings of sensitive state and personals and dialogues and help the diffused and resistance. Example the Travancore dropped it and the independence claim after the Patel intervention populars and legitimacies and invoked people and wishes were used to the justify integrations. Example the Junagadh and play biscuits and over the well meanings and favored joining India. Use of force and the core side. Force of the core side missiles and the military action in Hyderabad force was used to the curse armed and the resistance. Example the Operation Polo intended and the Nizam rules in 1948. Pressure on hesitant state and the reluctant rulers and where the political is isolations. Example the Bhopal joined after the public pressures and the central and assertiveness. Kashmir's conditions and accessions. Join India during the Pakistani backed and tribal invasions. An example the Maharaja Hari Singh Ji signed instrument of accession in October 1947 and rejecting pro-Pakistani moves. India opposed the rulers and acting the against peoples and will the example Junagadh Nawab decisions and reversed by the public aspire uprisings and the play big sides. Merger of mirror states and into the union state and forcibly grouped into the larger administration unit. Example the Sreshta and the Pepsu formed despite some the resistance. Conclusion the integration of the princely state reflected a the masterful blend of statecraft and resolve. Without the Patel diplomacy and the credible threat of forces, India territorial unity may have the remains a dream. What were the key administration challenges? Administration challenges confronting the Indian government in and the immediately aftermath of the independence. How were thus the challenges addressed? After independence in 1947, India faced the major administrative challenges such as the unify and princely states controlling the communals, violence and buildings. New institutions, as Nehru said. The task before us is and the colossal, but so is and the hour will to the succeed. Key administrative challenges: participations and refugees and crises, massive the displacement of over 10 million people and caused the humanitarian emergencies. Example Punjab and Bengal faced the hug influxes of the refugees, straining resources, law and orders breakdown, communal rout and violence erupted destabilizing peace. Example direct action day in the Calcuttas led to the widespread rout. Integration of the princely state over the 560 state and had the bearings. Degrees of the elegies. An example the Hyderabad and Junagadh showed the resistance to the joining India. Stabilizing bureaucracy department of India of British officials creations are the vacuum in administration. Example need for the repeat trainings of Indian civil servants. Economic disruptions and participation severed and trade the route and split industrial centers. Example the Lahore participation distributed and Punjab economical unit. unity. Measures taken to the address challenges, refugees relief and the rehabilitations. Government set up the camp and the resettlement program. Example, center and relief camp in Delhi and Punjab helped the millions. Development of security forces. Police and army were the mobilized to the restore law and orders. Example, the military intentions in road hit areas like the Noakhali and diplomacy and forces in the princely integrations, instrument of accessions and military action used. Example, Operation Polo in Hyderabad 1948, a creation of the Indian Administration Service IAS to ensure the efficiency governments. Example, IAS formed to the replace and the departing British officers. Economic planning initiated. Establishment of planning commission to the revive. Economic example, first 5-year plans launched in the 1951 and focusing on the agriculture and industries. Conclusion, India and the navigated its the post independence administrative crisis through the visionaries leadership, state the integrations and institutional foundation. As the Sardar Patel, the architect of the integrations, is aptly said, the first requirement for the progress in is the unity and the stabilities of the nation. Question number second. To what extent did the French revolutions lay the ideological fundamentals for the modern democratic system across the world? Examine its the impact and beyond the borders of France. The French Revolution of 1789 and broke away from the monarchy and introduced the ideas like the liberty, equality, and the popular rules. Thus, the ideals and reshaped state citizens' relations and inspired democratic changes around the world. Core democratic ideas emergence from the revolutions ended of absolute monarchy. The king authority was replaced by the elected bodies representation the people. Example, formation of the National Assembly and the executions of Louis 15. Declaration of right, assertions liberty, equality, and fraternity as the natural rights of all the humans. Example, the 1789 Declaration of the rights of man and the citizen influences global charter. Popular sovereignty, shifting legitimacy from the divine rules to the will of the peoples. An example, the citizen demanded a constitution and representation through the mass mobilization. Seculars and legal equalities disempowered the church and the aristocracy, introduced the equality before law. Example, the abolitions of the feudal due and the privileges across the France. Impact beyond the France borders, inspired global revolution, sparked democratic uprisings in Haiti and Latin Americas and part of the Europe. The Haitian and revolution was the directly inspired by the revolutionary France. Spread of legal models. Napoleon Code influences the civil law systems and across the Europe and Latin Americas. Example, the adopted in the countries like the Italy, Spain, and part of the Middle East. Universal human rights discourses laid yearly foundation for the latter rights-based government systems. Example, reflected in the UN character and post-colonial constitution, democratic nationalism, and imagined national as the communities of the equal citizens. Example, fled anti-colonial movements in Asia and Africa in the 20th centuries. Challenges to the autocracies and elitism encouraged the meritocracy and the dismantling of the birth-based privileges. Example, civil service and the representation bodies adopted the competition models and worldwide institution legacy set the template for the republic with the elected assemblies and check on and the executive's powers. Example, the Republican constitution in Europe and Latin America bore those features. Though rooted in France soils, the revolutions and ideals had the global resonance. It laid the ideological foundation for the democratic systems by the redefining powers and right and the governance and making it and the landmarks event in the shaping the modern world. Question number 4. The State Reorganization Act 1956 was the pragmatics and promises between the linguistics, identity, and administrative validities. Discuss its the success and the limitation in shaping the modern India's federation structure. 250 verse 15. The State Reorganization Act of the 1956 was other landmarks in India's the post-independence political history amid and the redrawing state boundaries primarily on the linguistic lines and while the balancing administration efficiency. As the Jawaharlal Nehru noted, the linguistic state have given new and the validity to the Indian Federation body. By it was the compromising balance, identity and the unity. It is the recognize linguistics and the identity without the compromising national integrations. Masked language with the governance and state where and the reorganizations to the reflected and both the cultures and cohesions and administrative functionalities. Avoided extremes, it and the neither followed poorly linguistic and criterias and nor the rejected them and the entirely opting for the middle path. Success of the State and Recognizations Act. Recognition of the linguistic identity. The act acknowledge and linguistic diversities and reducing the regional discontent. Example, the creation of the Andhra Pradesh of the Telugu speaker. Administration efficiency. State where the reorganization to have and the cohesive administration units the improving government. Example, the integrated of the Kannada speaking areas into the Mysore Karnataka. Political stabilities. The reorganizations reduced separatist and tensions and demand for the smaller states temporarily. Example, the reduced agitations in the south for the linguistic state. Foundation for the federalism. Established linguistic federalism as other principles in Indian polity. Example, the state accurate more the cultural autonomies and within other unified India. A commendation of the regional aspirations and the act address the regional identity within the constitutional framework. Example, formation of the Punjab and Haryana to represent Punjabi and the Hindi speakers and the respectively. Strengthened and democracy aligning state with the language and groups. Improved voters and engagement and representation. Example, the electorals politicals becomes the more regional and relevant. Encouragement and for the local languages and promoted local and languages in education and administration. Example, Tamil in Tamil Nadu, Marathi in Maharashtra flourished. Limitation of State and Reorganization Act. Incomplete and the linguistic unity. Some and the linguistic and the minorities and remains in states and dominated and by the other language. And example, the Marathi and speakers in the Karnataka. Example, neglected other identities, ethnic, tribals and cultural identity beyond the language and were the sidelines. Example, tribals demands in the northeast Indias and remained the unresolved. Creation of small conflict and knew the border sometimes and creation phrase the disputes and secessionist and tendencies. An example, the demand for the Telanganas and later led to the Telangana's statehood only into the 2014. State government dominance and despite the reorganization the central retained overridings and powers and limiting true Federalism example use of the Article 356 and to the dismiss state government over faces on the language and economic and the geographics and factors were the sometimes ignored in favor of the linguistic criteria. Example, the geographically fragmented state and with the poor and connectivities. Political manipulations of the linguistic identity and the language used for the political mobilization and sometimes used the divisiveness. Example, rise of the regionals and parties with the narrow and linguistic agendas. Delay reorganization in the northeast. Several northeastern states and were not the reorganization till the decades later, causing the unrest. And example, the insurgencies and ethnic claims continued. Conclusion, the State Reorganization Act of the 1956 was a pragmatic solution, balancing the linguistic aspiration and the administrative needs and playing a crucial role in shaping India's federalism. While it brought many successes, ongoing the challenges revealed the need for the continued adaptation to India's and deserved social realities. To what extent and did the systematically failures and of the and were an international order contributions and to the outbreak of the Second World War examined with and the difference to political, economically and ideological factors. Introduction. The interval period 1939 and so the fragile institution, unresolved and war times and legacies. The rising global tensions while war was not inevitable and the failures to the address political grievances, economically distress and ideological radicalism and made the descent into the global conflict increasingly irreversible body. Political features and effective and leaks and systems, the leaks and of the nation and leakage the enforcement power allowing the aggressions to act and unchecked. The example, Japan invasions of the Manchuria and 1931, the Italy of the Ethiopias and 1935 made numbers meaningful resistance. Harsh Versailles and settlements, the punish the punitives and peace and terms the breed resentment and particularly in the Germany. Example, Hitler's and explode the war guilt and accused and the reparations to fuels and nationalist revivals. Appeasement and diplomacy and concessions were the made to the dictators in hope of the avoiding conflict. Example, the 1938 and Munich and Pact enables and Hitler's to annex the Sudeten land without the consequences. Lack of unified and deterrences measures powers and failed to form other united front agents and rising the threat. Example, the remilitarization of the Rhineland in 1936 and went unchanged by the Britons or the France. Economical instabilities and global depression impact. Economical collapse and undermine and democracies and the legitimated extremist politicals. Examples, the Germany unemployment crisis allows the Nazis to gain the mass supports in and the early 1930s. The rise of the Protestants, economically nationalism intensified global divisions and competitions. Examples, US smooth Hale and Tariff 1913 and triggered and retationaries politicals and worshipped and worst the downturns expansions for the resources and states and pursued militarist expansions to overcome economically solutions. Example, Japan invasions of China in 1937 and was the aimed at the gaining access to raw material financial system collapse, the recurrent banking future failures and dependent instabilities across Europe. Example, Austria and Germany 1931 banking crisis discredited liberal capital system. Ideological polarizations. Fascist expansions, fascist state globalified and militarism and concept as the national destinies. Example, the Mussolini and Ethiopia's invasions 1935 was justified as the restoring Romans imperial glory. Anti-communist hostilities, fear of Bolsheviks and saved the Western illusions to engage the USSR. Example, the Britain and the France and hesitated to ally and with the Stalins even as the Hitlers and advanced radicals nationalism doctrine. Ultra and nationalism ideologicals fuels and genocidals and expansional policies. Example, Nazi believe in and the Aryans and supremacy and the underpinned and Germany the territorials ambitions, fragmented global ideologies. Casing ideologies weakened effort aid the collective resistance. Example, the Nazi-Soviet Pact in 1939 stand the best and the clears the path for the war. World War II emerged and not from a single spark, and but from the accumulated and failures and diplomatics and weakened economically collapse and unshaked ideologies. The entire war orders and proved the unable to maintain the peace and showing that and the stability is demanded for the just and the treaties but restore and justice and the collective will.